This is a raw recording with the Sony ZV-1. I'm recording this to show myself and to show you how good the audio is coming straight from the Sony camera. This is recorded with a 1080p settings because it's not on a approved SD card for the 4K resolution. But if you wanted to hear a direct from the source audio sample, this is an audio sample of the Sony ZV-1 without any editing, without any adjustments. It's only with the small dead cat thing that's included in the ZV-1 packaging, and it's very, very small.